So here's behind the wheel. The only problem I see is they mounted a large weight right on the lip, and it gets a little close. It gets a little close right up here by the knuckle. I have clearance. I'll see what everything happens when I drop it to the ground, but I don't think this is going to be impacted at all. The only thing that could potentially be a problem is going to be the upper sway bar anchor bolt. So this relationship shouldn't change at all. I should not have any problem here, even though I think the next time I go to the tire shop, I will have them do something else with the weights. But as you can see, I have no problem. I have plenty of clearance. Plenty of clearance. Again, the only issue might be way up on top with right here with the sway bar anchor bolt, but I do have plenty of room there. I should be okay, but this will change when the tire gets on the ground, so we'll find out. Alright, I'm going to drop this side on the ground and let's see if anything changes. Okay, this side's on the ground. I've had these pinch-weld jack pads for a long time, but I've never used them before. I'm using them now in my convertible. It actually worked really well. They have little magnets inside it. They just stick right up on the pinch weld. They stick through it, and then you can put your jack in place. Alright, that's done. I'm going to position the camera again and we'll just watch this side come down. And once this side's down, the car, okay, let's take a peek over there. See, I have plenty of clearance over there, guys, on everything. Let's do this side now. Let's see what I get. Let's see what happens when we drop it to the ground. Let's see if anything changes. The upper sway bar bolts, you know, they're a little bit close. I can't show you that, you're not going to be able to see, but I can get my fingers between it. I can get my fingers between it, and it's at rim height, not tire height. These 315s stick out probably a good 1/4 inch on each side, beyond each side of the rim. And the sway bar bolt is at the height of the lip of the rim. So I can slide my, I don't think there's anything you'll be able to see. I don't think you're going to be able to see anything, but I can slide my fingers through it. No problem. See what else I have. I have plenty of clearance everywhere. I think we're going to be all right, guys.